What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Dub Club. So this episode is just going to be an update on the Eclipse. So about 2 weeks ago, I started trying to figure out this issue that I'm having with the turn signals. So the car runs, the alternator charges, everything is perfectly fine until you hit the turn signal. Then the voltage drops, and eventually the alternator stops charging because I guess it senses the short or whatever, I don't know. But so I tore the whole thing down. I took the dashboard out, took all the wiring off, the whole body harness, the whole front end, checked literally every single wire, and I didn't find anything. So I actually just got it back together, and it's still doing it. The one thing I did find was whenever you put the key in the ignition, I guess it sends ground through one of the wires, and if you wiggle the key, the ground appears and disappears and whatever. So I guess it's a bad ignition switch. I'm not sure if this is causing the whole issue here or not. I think I'm gonna try to test it out and just try to start the car and wiggle the switch around and see if the alternator stops charging or whatever. See what happens. Doesn't seem like it's a switch.
Check the voltage. Left turn signal.
So as you guys see, it's like some weird, I don't know why the voltage drops so much whenever the turn signals are turned on, but I guess I'll just try to get it through the dyno. I got a dyno session for it on the 24th of February. So hopefully that goes well finally. Third time's should be the charm, hopefully. Yeah, and then I'll kind of worry about that stuff later.
In a city full of sounds, I know my way around. We are of the same kind. Endangered species hard to find. I'll give you some lone time. I need to go catch a high tide, 'cause I don't feel free. So I'm letting you know where I want to be. Driving by the shore, listening to a broken radio. Skyline neon lights are waking up the rangers of the night. Designated life. Feel the cold wind on my face. It's all around but leaves no trace. This is where I wanna be. I'm skipping stones into the sea. I'll give you some love.
Let me take you guys around, kind of show you everything I did, walk you through it, and that should be it. So the front end, I just got the bumper back on, but if you look down there, all the wiring is still kind of just hanging, so I got to get it up on the lift and actually kind of zip tie the wiring out of the way, get everything nice and neat in there. There's not much room to be working underneath here. And just had the fenders off. Yeah, but it's back together now. The dash is halfway in, halfway it's still kind of not in all the way, but steering wheel's not on all the way. So I want to thank you guys for subscribing. There's been a pretty decent amount of new subscribers signing on in the past month or two. So I would just want to give you guys a big thanks. Thank you, all of you, for supporting the channel, for watching the videos. Let me know if you guys have any suggestions for the channel. I'm open to new ideas. Yeah, and stuff. Oh, one more thing. I do have a set of coilovers that I have to put on this thing before I can get it dynoed, because the rear springs right now aren't stiff enough, and with the new wheel setup, they rub a little bit on the rear quarter panels, on bumps and stuff. So I'm afraid that on the dyno, it's just gonna squat and just gonna heat up the tires with the quarter panels. So I got a set of coilovers right there. So next video I'm gonna be putting them on, and then after that I think it's gonna be time to go to the dyno. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.